just welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sariti and today we'll be creating this eye makeup look. Basically मैं थोड़ा घबरा गई थी कि कैसा क्रिएट होगा बिकॉज मैं कभी भी ग्लिटर्स के साथ ट्राई नहीं की थी. आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस कि फॉल आउट्स होंगे, अच्छा क्रिएट नहीं होगा. बट देन आई वॉज लाइक नहीं दीदी, वी नीड टू डू इट, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. So I did it and I'm pretty happy कि how this turned out, to be very honest. And now you will be receiving more such content where I will be using glitter eyeshadows for sure, so stay tuned for that. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. But before we get started, I would like to request to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so whenever I post a video you get notified. 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Starting करते हुए I like to request you to use any face wash and then I am just here spraying out the face mist or the face toner from Good Vibes. उसके बाद मैं अपना प्राइमर ले रही हूँ. दिस प्राइमर इज़ फ्रॉम Blue Heaven and it's pretty nice. It gives you a matte finish. The procedure take only tiny pea size amount and just apply it on your T-zone area, cheeks and wherever you feel you have pores. एंड मूविंग टू आगे बढ़ते हुए पहले हम लोग अपना आई मेकअप करेंगे. उसके लिए फर्स्ट आई विल कंसील माई आईज बिकॉज आई हैव डार्क सर्कल्स. ऑफ कोर्स कंसीलिंग आवर आईज इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इन दिस वे आवर कलर्स कम आउट वेरी नाइसली एंड इट गिव्स यू ए पॉप अप इफेक्ट. नाउ यूजिंग द ब्यूटी प्लस कलर बोर्ड पैलेट, now using this orange shade I will apply it all over my eyes. Just it will work as the base or you can say the transition color to my eyes. Now I am following the same procedure in my other eye. Now I will be taking a darker shade of orange in my angled eye brush and I will apply it over my crease area. Once it is done, now I'll use my concealer just for my cut crease. I'll apply a little amount in my eyelid and then I'll open my eyes and you can see how smooth it is. This hack does the job pretty nicely and easily. Moving forward, using a brush I will apply it on the area or spread it over the area where I want to add my pressed glitters. So now taking this little shade in my brush, ये वही brush है जिससे हम लोग अपना concealer spread किए थे, and just will dab it. Will not just mix it or anything. Will just dab it. This process requires a little bit of patience and you can do it easily. Just a little bit of patience and time and you will ace this look for sure. Just apply on the areas where you have put the concealer and yes, it will be pretty good to go. के साथ एक दिक्कत होता है कि फॉल आउट्स का बहुत चांसेस होता है, सो यू जस्ट नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. और अगर फॉल आउट्स हो भी गए देन यू कैन यूज़ अ माइसेलर वाटर टू जस्ट रिमूव द एक्सेस आई मेकअप दैट यू डोंट वांट. So this is how the eyes look and now I am pretty happy and now we'll follow the same procedure in my other eye. Our eyes are pretty done and dusted and now I am using the NYB concealer and applying it over my under eyes and will also apply it under the bridge of my eyes and it is almost finished, so I am just applying it for the very last time. I hopefully I'll not use it anymore, but let's see. And now I'm applying it in the bridge of my nose and also in my T-zone because I wanted to conceal it because there are dark spots over there. After I apply it, I let it sit for a minute and then using a wet beauty blender, I just dab the concealer properly. I'll just set my makeup using a loose powder. The loose powder I am using is from Blue Heaven. I'm applying it under my eyes in my T-zone because I sweat there a lot, and after keeping it for a minute I'll just brush it off using a brush. In this way I feel my makeup lasts long and it doesn't crease. Now moving forward, we'll apply blush. For blush I am using my evergreen Blue Heaven blush in the shade 501 Diamond, and we'll just apply it on my uplifting areas. Now using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Gold, I feel gold champagne, and I'll just highlight my face. I will also use the highlighter just to highlight my inner corners. Now I am using a very small brush for this. Now using the Blue Heaven mascara, I'll just apply one coat of in my eyelashes. This mascara helps me in curling my lashes. It gives you an effect of curl lashes and also keeps it very natural. Finally, we'll ace the look by using the Lakme Absolute 925 lipstick. I'll apply a little amount in my center of my upper lip and also in the center of my lower lip, and I'll just mix it off using my lips only. In this way I use a very less product and also make use of it to the most. So finally we are done with our glittery orange eyes. Thank you for watching till the end. Make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe button, and also kindly comment down below what you want to see in my upcoming videos. I love to make that. With this note, bye my gems, see you next time.